Today.
Well, on paper it's down as a 4-5-1, but for me it's more likely to be a split midfield, with 3 supporting the front man and 2 sitting that little bit deeper as defensive cover.
On to Estupinian. This is looking threatening. Well, the fans really want him to shoot. And there it is! The breakthrough! That will do nicely.
Well, just look at this again. He's so hard to knock off the ball once he gets going. Of course the defending could be better, but that's a great individual goal.
Ezzy. Keeper not concentrating. Must be. And all is well again. At one point, I wasn't quite sure we were going to be saying that. Gross. Takes aim. Well, he hit it with authority. Close. Time coming up shortly, and the home side on top. Stuart, interested to get your critique.
Well, they've worked hard and played well to be in.
Well, very effective goalkeeping to touch it over. Try to add to their advantage. Not away completely. Pretty simple for the keeper. Corner kick played in. It's in! They're looking really relaxed and confident, and not giving the opposition much of a look in.
It again. It's a superb cross, just asking for someone to go and meet it, and it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly not much the goalkeeper can do about that.
Well, just to point you in the right direction, we have...
Derek, what a moment this could be.
Oh, great goalkeeping!
Well, that's a top-quality save. Great anticipation.
Oh, skipping away. Ansu Fati. Might be a chance here. It's gone in! And, well, he might celebrate on the back of that.
Well, as you can see, they finish this really easily. They don't give the keeper a chance, do they? That's a good goal.
Oh, beating his opponent with ease. A majestic piece of goalkeeping there. Lallana. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. Corner once more. Line, so a corner here.
Well, for good measure, we can see it again, but clearly not over the line. Can be no debate over that decision.
And he's fired over the corner. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save.